Welcome, my lovely students. How are you, girls? How are you? Okay, girls, today, inshallah, we will take the activity book, unit 10 and 11 in our book Better English Now, and we will start with ask and answer game, okay? If I ask you, girls, where are you from? You have to say, I am from Saudi Arabia. Then, girls, if I ask you, what is your nationality? I am Saudi, okay? Then, what is the past of speak, spoke, write, wrote, swim, swam, dive, dove, drink, drank, break, broke, okay? As I told you before, girls, today we will take Unit 10, Lesson 11. Unit 10 and 11, sorry, girls, Lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4 in these units, okay? We will start with match the pictures with the sentences. First of all, I need you to open your book, page number, girls, page number 39, and I will read the sentences and you have to match the pictures with the sentences, okay? Or sorry, the sentences with the pictures. Number one, buying things in another country is difficult. Then, reading the price label is a problem. Using a credit card is fun. Carrying a lot of cash is not easy. Playing tennis is interesting. So, number four, then 3, 2, 1, and 5, okay? Then girls, complete using means shopping, common, foreign, and expensive. Number one, my mother thinks that shopping is fun. Two, English is a foreign language in Egypt. Three, bargaining is common in Middle East. Four, currency means money. Five, the opposite of expensive is cheap. Okay? Then, girls, complete the puzzle that we have on page 40. What is the opposite of selling? The opposite of selling is buying. Number two, my mother does it once a week. Shopping. Three, I can communicate with you in both Arabic and English. Four, my uncle sold his farm at a good price. Five, I don't like bargaining with salespeople. This is not common in my country. 6. I lost my credit card yesterday. Can I borrow some money from you? So, girls, you have to write these words in the puzzle that we have in our book. Okay? Then, girls, complete the following. What are the meaning of these words using the dictionary? What do I mean by a shop assistant? A shop assistant, a person whose job is to sell products. A shoplifter is a person who takes goods from a shop without paying. Goods means in Arabic, girls, بضائع, okay? A shopkeeper is someone who manages the store. 4. A shop hours are the time during which shops are opened, okay? Then, girls, exercise 2 on page 41. Number one, what's the currency of Saudi Arabia? It is the rial. Two, what's the currency of France? It is the euro. What's the currency of Jordan? It is the dinar. What's the currency of Germany? It is the euro. Okay? Then girls match questions or make questions. Sorry, girls, make questions. Number one, Ali visits his aunt twice a week. How often does Ali visit his aunt? My pencil is 25 centimeters long. How long is your pencil? 3. The festival is held in July. When is the festival held? Tourists can walk in the Forum. Where can tourists walk? Okay? Then, girls, read and write. You have to write this passage, girls, down. Visiting the Nepatan cities and Aqaba is the only port in Jordan. It is about 133 kilometers north of Aqaba. It is about 275 kilometers south of Amman. There are many many hotels. Many hotels, girls, with S in Aqaba. Okay? Let me complete now. Fill in the blanks with some or any. Page number 43. Jamal has bought some new shirts. Basil and Hala were married last year. They haven't got any children yet. Do you have any cucumber? No, I don't have any cucumbers. 5. My uncle has some cows and chickens. I picked some apples and sent them to my grandfather. He left home without any money. Okay? Then girls, complete using these words. We have farm, surprise, fantastic, later, and peaches. Number one, Ali doesn't like cherries, but he likes peaches. Do you know that the old man who lives in a farm? 3. John's success in the exam was a great surprise to his mother. Everyone will die sooner or later. Ziad spent a fantastic summer in his uncle's farm. Now, page number, girls. Page number here. Page number 44. Have they got any cherries? Yes, they have got some cherries. Number 2. Have they got any banana? No, they haven't got any banana. 3. Have they got have they got any apple? Yes, they have got some apples. Have they got any egg? No, they haven't got any eggs. Have they got any peaches? Yes, they have got some peaches. Have they got any tea? Yes, they have got some tea. Okay? Then, girls, say what Mr. and Mrs. Hamdan have or haven't. You have to write these sentences, girls, here. They have got some apples, but they haven't got any oranges. They have got some cheese, but they haven't got any eggs. They have got some peaches, but they haven't got any grapes. They have got some coffee, but they haven't got any tea. They have got some fish, but they haven't got any chicken. Okay? Then, girls, pronunciation, we have some words here um, horses, cows, disc, oranges, lamps, bridge, caves, and roofs. Number one, we have disc and roofs. 2. Cows, lambs, and caves, horses, oranges, and bridges. Okay? This is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and don't forget to answer all the questions that we have in this book. Okay? Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.